Hello guys, this is Cindy from UK. Today I will introduce the biodegradable packaging paper bags for you. With growing market awareness about environmentally friendly packaging, trends in the packaging industry shift towards a greener future. This is the biodegradable paper bag we made before use for weeks. No chemicals are used in the manufacturing of these bags, thus making them eco-friendly. The zipper can refill the bag, also can print the easy pattern you prefer on the biodegradable bag. Well, if you want to know more information about the biodegradable packaging paper bag, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.